Good day, everyone. Jeff here with MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks, and today we're taking you through a brand new arrival here. It's a 2025 Harris Sunliner 250, powered by a Mercury 300. Got plenty of power here to push this beautiful boat down around the lake, hovering in between 45, maybe 50 mile an hour, depends on the conditions. But check out the lounger again, another quality job by Harris. Big lounger that folds in 3 different directions, all the way flat to face the bow. Is a big sun pad, ginormous sunshade, bimini over the top. Again, this is a 12-foot coverage instead of your standard 10-foot. Coming to the helm here, electronic throttle controls, all your switches, phone holder, electronic start stop. Of course, powered by nothing better than the JL audio and your SIMRAD displays on your digital screens. Just a ton of space up here in this boat. It's a Harris Sunliner 250. It's just over 27 foot in length overall. Big wide loungers up here, storage up underneath all of those, and an abundance of storage down here in the ski locker. USB charges at every cup holder station. Guys, it's a Harris Sunliner 250 powered by a Mercury 300. It's MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks. My name is Jeff, 573-606-3035. Have a great day.